And of course, tomorrow we're back to rain, and your hair loves this stuff. Gonna be a zoo, I'm pretty sure. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take a walk around my property because it is a rare, beautiful, sunny day here in Olympia, Washington. After a good walk, which is what I recommend anyone should do, especially if you live in a state that doesn't see a lot of sun in the winter, I'm heading to my studio to make some conditioner bars and pack orders, all while chatting about various topics like DIY hair care, family card games, and whatever else pops into my head. So if that sounds fun to you, grab a coffee or tea, get cozy, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. For those new here, I'm Jerica, and I just moved into this 1970s farmhouse on 2 acres. This is a lot of land for my husband and I, and we've been busy trying to turn this beautiful place into a home. We fell in love with this property for the land, yes, but it also included a studio space, which was perfect for me as I make soap for a living. Learning to make soap has opened the doors to other DIYs like making creams and formulating my own hair care. Conditioner bars sound intimidating, but I was really pleasantly surprised to see that they're actually not, and that's what I want to show you in this video. I just had the most beautiful walk outside, and I had to because this is the first time Washington has seen sun in over a week, and that kind of darkness messes with you over time. So I'm really glad to see some sun out there. And of course, tomorrow we're back to rain. So if you live in Washington and there's a sunny day, go outside. It just changes your entire mood completely. I am making myself and my Golden Bubble patrons a conditioner bar. I'm really excited to share this recipe also though with my patrons. You guys can make your own skincare and hair care too at home, and it's a pretty cool hobby. Or if you get good at it, you can start selling your stuff. It's amazing, honestly. But with conditioner bars, it's so simple. You just combine the ingredients in a beaker or heat-safe container, melt them down, and then once they're melted, we're gonna add some preservative and some fragrance in there, and then you have a conditioner bar, well, after you pour it into a mold. So it's pretty straightforward. In terms of DIYs, it's pretty entry level. Well, some of the ingredients are probably not entry level. You probably have not heard of BTMS 25 or cetyl alcohol, but these are the things that make a product a really good product, like a product that you could sell. And if you were to gift these products to people, they would be super duper impressed. I mean, this is what I use on my hair all the time. Just conditioner bars and shampoo bars that I have made at home. I'm just gonna add some BTMS 25. I am so sorry about this, but my SD card filled up and cut out a lot of what I was saying about the ingredients, but basically this is going to be a mint cocoa butter conditioner bar using peppermint essential oil for some festive flair and raw cocoa butter for a hint of chocolate. So now that we have those ingredients melting down, I'm going to put together my ingredients that are heat sensitive, so you want to prepare them separately from those guys. Let me get rid of some ingredients first. Okay, we're gonna start with some panthenol, and your hair loves this stuff. I like to crush it up into bits when I add it in, otherwise it can be hard to incorporate fully. There's that. Next we're going to add some dimethicone. Next, some honeyquat. That peppermint essential oil that I was talking about. Some vitamin E. This stuff is so sticky and thick. Your skin loves it. And your hair. Your hair and your skin likes this stuff. We're gonna add some preservative. There's going to be water in your shower. And if you have any type of thing in a wet environment that doesn't have preservative in it, it's going to start to grow some nasties in there. So I highly suggest that you add some sort of preservative. When it comes to conditioner bars, I like Optifin Plus. And we need one more thing. We're going to naturally make this conditioner bar green by adding some spirulina powder. And it just so happens that spirulina powder is good for your hair. Your hair likes this stuff. You'll want to mix this all together because by the time those ingredients have melted down, you want to move pretty fast because everything's going to start solidifying pretty quickly. So let's stir this all in and incorporate it all in each other. We are waiting for that conditioner bar to melt down. I have some downtime. I need to fill up my peppermint container. I get my essential oils in bulk to save money. And I just pour it from one vessel to another. I think that's good. Hard to tell with these bottles that aren't see-through. Yeah, we're good. That should be fine. Next, I've got some orders to fulfill, so I'm going to do that. What have we got here? Yep, these two are ready to go. Over here, still needs that wrapped, and that needs that. Okay, and let us spread this out.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Okay, I'll start with the pomegranate mangoes. Pomegranate mangoes.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer.
How are your Christmas plans going? Are you done all of your gift shopping? I sure have not finished. And as much as I wanted to go secondhand for all my presents, I think I might have to head to the mall for at least a few of them. For my nieces and nephews, who I know probably won't appreciate a secondhand item as much as I would. So we're gonna have to do that, which I'm not looking forward to because it's gonna be a zoo, I'm pretty sure. Oh my goodness. I find that kind of stuff really fun. I love going on outings. I love heading into town. Like I said, I love this house. It's so cozy, but it can definitely be a little isolating. The lake house was like that too. It was just kind of, you know, bears down on you a little bit. So any chance I get to head out into the real world, I will do that. I just received word from Kale. His coworkers loved my soaps and the cookies that I baked. I'm so excited about that. I'm really proud of how the cookies turned out. They're so tasty. They're kind of a crispier cookie. There's chewier, bigger ones, you know, kind of like those crumble cookies. The silo cookies that I make are not that. They're kind of thinner. They're more gourmet looking, but they're delicious. That's all you need to know. Okay, I have to get more peppermint vanilla labels.
last rodeo written on my back window. I've never tried this before I met you. Here we go into the wildness unknown. You seem to shift what I thought that I knew. Kaleidoscope, both of us changing our pattern with every spin. Oh, kaleidoscope, glass bits and pieces from planets that I've never been. I am fixated on every new shape you're making.
So my conditioner bar ingredients have completely melted. I'm going to take it off the heat. And then to my cool down ingredients, I'm going to add a little bit of water. And what this does is help with the solidifying of the conditioner bar. Without this water, sometimes I would get little ripples in the finished bar, but this helps to prevent that. And this is heated water, by the way. So I'm gonna stir that together. And then I'm gonna add this to my melted conditioner bar ingredients. And I'm gonna stir for about 2 minutes to fully incorporate all of the ingredients together.
Kaleidoscope, glass bits and pieces from planets that I've never been. I'm fixated on every new shape you're making.
So here are the bars freshly poured, and I like to let them set just a little bit before I pop them in the freezer, or else they're really liquidy and they might get all over the place. So I like to have them just be semi-hard when I pop them in the freezer, and then they can complete solidifying in the freezer. Okay, so they are sturdy enough to go and pop into the freezer. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I am really excited for my Golden Bubble patrons to get that conditioner bar. It is a lovely one. I'm also excited for my customers to get their soaps. My goal is to clear the board by Christmas time so that I can have a bit of a break. I mean, I'm gonna keep the shop open though, because I still have vanilla oatmeal, I still have coffee, I still have a few sample sizes of soaps here and there. So I'm gonna give people the chance to buy those if they want to. So yeah, that's gonna be exciting. But there will be a new product coming, so if you want to see what I've got, then I would probably hold off. So I've got, we need a peppermint vanilla. We need, oh no, we got that, sorry. Lavender, goat's milk, blackberry cream, pomegranate, and vanilla. Do you know what? See, that's why you always check. I swapped soaps there. Okay. Is this order complete? Lavender, blackberry cream, vanilla oatmeal, and a pomegranate mango. Yes, this one is complete. Phew. I don't have any dinner making footage for this vlog because Kale and I are headed over to my in-laws, his parents, for dinner tonight and a game of cards. His parents like to play this game called Back Alley Bridge, and only that game. And we've been playing that game together for at least 10 years. They've been playing it for longer. But ever since I met Kale's family, that is the game that we've been playing, and they are serious about it. It gets intense. And they even put money on the game. We have to pay $1 to play, and the winner gets the prize. And we are so serious about it that we even have tournaments, and there's a tournament going on right now, and I think I'm first. It's kind of weird because I got first the first game and then last the second game, so I don't know where I am in the standings. This game uses a ton of strategy, but it also needs a lot of luck in order to win. But if you don't know the strategy and if you're not skillful at this, then even with luck, you're not gonna win. And the basic idea of back alley bridge is you try to think of how many bids you're going to win at the end of each round. And if you are correct, you get points. And if you're not correct, you lose points. So we have had massive swings in who was first and who was last. We've had amazing comebacks. We've had people at the very, very bottom, people going into the negatives in their score. But it's this amazing family tradition. And if you've heard of back alley bridge, let me know in the comments below. It's so much fun. So that's where we're going tonight. I don't think I'll be taking out the conditioner bars tonight because I like to let them, I don't think I'll be taking the conditioner bars out, popping them out of their mold tonight. I'll probably take them out tonight. I like to let them set for a day before I pop them out. So I will be doing that in the next vlog. And if you want to start making your own hair care, then you can do that. The recipe for that conditioner bar is on my Patreon. And not only are there conditioner bar recipes on there, there are also shampoo bar recipes on there. And that's all I use for my hair, is hair care that I make for myself. So it is amazing. And not only do you get those recipes, but you get access to me and you can ask me questions, as well as a whole community of other makers, other business owners. It's pretty awesome over there. But if you don't want to pay $5 for the subscription, you can buy the recipe itself for $10. So it's amazing. It's not that much money and it'll get you started on your DIY hair care journey. And if you pay for the subscription and unlock all of the posts, you can start making soap, you can start making lotions. It's pretty good. I love it. But yeah, that is today's video. I'm so glad I got to share some Washington sunshine with you because it's so rare. And that's how Vlogmas is you get to share the day-to-day reality. And I really hope that if you like this video that you'll join me in the next video. So until that next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and keep being yourselves. And stay happy and warm this holiday season. Bye guys. This is the first sun that Washington has seen in over a week. Oh, I have to wrap some up. Okay. Ah.